All right, so there's this really good tool out there called Spyfu for keyword research. It works great for SEO, for PPC, social media, a couple other things as well too. But one of this particular tools that I think is really valuable is called Kombat. So it's spyfu.com/combat. I think it redirects you over. And then when you go into Kombat, you just type in your domain to start. Here we're going to just do an example for the Home Depot. And then we're going to go to organic because it defaults to paid. And we're going to type in a couple other competitors like Lowe's and Menards.com. And what this tool does, it will compare the keyword visibility across the 3 domains, which is super interesting because it'll show you how many keywords each of these domains ranks for and the overlap between these domains, which when you're doing competitive research or you're doing SEO research and you want to know, which is the bigger site. Now, it's better to use core competitors because if you're comparing Home Depot with Amazon, for example, Amazon will rank for 75 to 80 million keywords. So it's not a direct comparison because you can't bundle that down to just the pages on Amazon that are home improvement or home repair or that are more unique to the competitive overlap with Home Depot and Amazon. But when you look through this, you can slice this and then you can break out which keywords they share. So for example, Home Depot and Lowe's, they share 300,000 keywords that Menards doesn't have. So if you're doing SEO for Menards, these would be really great keywords to know because these are keywords that your 2 top competitors are ranking for that you're not. And then so on and so forth. You can see words that Menards and Lowe's shares that Home Depot doesn't. And you can kind of get a sense of your competitive advantage or kind of where you have to focus on in terms of keyword overlap. So really cool, makes for some great screenshots for your audits, your reports. You have to either hover over them to get the numbers or download them. What I'll do is I'll just jot them down on paper and then I'll just put them over on PowerPoint so you can see the overlaps with the numbers on them. All right, cool. Enjoy it. Have fun. It's a great tool. Hope you use it. Cheers.